His Holiness Guruji Sri Sri Ravi Sankarji, dear guests, brothers and sisters. We all are gathered here today on a very auspicious occasion where we all have a great and a kind of a rare opportunity to meet, listen and learn from the great humanitarian and spiritual leader Guruji Sri Sri Ravi Sankarji from India. First of all, on behalf of our organization Jain Cultural Center Antwerp, welcome Guruji Sri Sri Ravi Sankarji with a huge round of applause. Millions of people around the world are regularly following him and are the part of his activities on a strong platform of humanity and spirituality. When there is a wisdom, even though there are different viewpoints, there will be no conflict. Wisdom always views reality from various different angles. Honoring the diversity, finding unity in its wisdom. Celebrating diversity in oneness and finding unity in the diversity are the two main aspects of wisdom. There is enormous publication to instigate our life to a divine direction. I believe we are so fortunate today to get his directions for our rest of the life to make our lives stress-free and peaceful. Our Lord Tirthankar Mahavir have also mentioned approximately 2527 years ago as prime philosophy on Anekantvad means to respect multiple views to come out with a conclusion that suits the most rather than holding own opinion, and the other is non-violence. These both principles will lead to all of us for love and peace. So if basically we all follow such simple principles with the techniques of the art of living, it will certainly fulfill the dream of Guruji Sri Sri Ravi Sankarji for a one world with harmony of love and peace. I, on behalf of Jain Cultural Center Antwerp, would like to request Guruji to transform our belief to actual real knowledge to determine our directions towards divine.
देखो, जीवन को एक बड़ा दृष्टिकोण से देखना है. क्या जीवन क्या है? यहां कब तक हम जीने वाले हैं? जीवन का सत्य क्या है? इस पर दृष्टि देना चाहिए. हाँ. तो सार यहां आता है, ध्यान करो, मेडिटेशन करो. हाँ, तो हमारे सभी मंदिरों में यही हमको बताया जाता है. देखो कैसे बैठे हैं भगवान, आंख बंद करके बैठे, एकदम स्थिर होकर के ध्यान में. वो ध्यान करना चाहिए. ध्यान का बहुत बड़ा महत्व है जीवन में. भगवान बुद्ध ने कहा जीवन दुख है और दुख से बाहर आने की तरीका है. मगर महावीर भगवान ने कहा आत्मनिश्चय में हो जाओ. आत्मा सुख स्वरूपी है. और दोनों के लिए ध्यान का मार्ग ही है. दुख का निवृत्ति, सुख की प्राप्ति, दोनों ध्यान से ही होगा. This is what we need to do. We need to keep moving. We park somewhere and we move again. So if you park in wrong place, we need to move it sooner. If we park in the right place, we have our freedom. We can move it only when we want to. So we had to park our mind also in such a way that it is in a safe place. If we have parked our mind in our own garage, Nobody can tell us when we should move it. But if we park our mind in somebody else's garage, somebody else's spot, somebody will be after us. Even then, if we don't move, then the police will come. In the same way, we don't give our life's authority in somebody else's hand. If we give it, this is what will happen. What? We have no freedom. है ना? We lose our freedom. And when you lose freedom, the next thing you lose is love, compassion. Because someone who is stifled cannot express their compassion or love, isn't it? So take care of your own mind, the car called mind which drives you. And you should drive the mind rather than mind driving you. What do you think? Correct? What does wisdom do? Wisdom empowers you to drive the mind how you want to drive it. Otherwise, you are not in the driving seat. The mind is driving. It's an automated car. It goes on its own. You are sitting, wondering. You say, I want to go to left, and the car is going right. And you feel helpless. And most of our life is like this. We don't know what we are doing. We don't know what we want. We don't know where we are going. It's simply car is going and we are sitting and in the background saying, I want to go left, but his car is going right. Isn't this happening too? Yeah? How many of you feel that you are in control or you are in the driving seat of your own life? No, we are being driven by something else. Right? So we need to take a look how I can jump on and sit in the driving seat. From sitting behind, how I can make that leap. And that is what is spirituality. That is what the essence of all the scriptures. Bhagavad Gita पढ़ो तो यही बात सुनने में आएगा. समय सार पढ़िए आप यही बात सुनने में आएगा. तुम्हारी आत्मा अविनाशी है. आत्मा में निश्चय कर लो. समय सार का क्या है? यही वही बात भगवद गीता में दूसरे चैप्टर में भगवान कृष्ण ने कह दिया कि आत्मनिश्चय. तुम्हारी आत्मा अमर है, अविनाशी है. अच्छा, ये सब पढ़ लिया, सुन लिया गुरुजी, मगर जीवन में नहीं उतरता. मैं ये कहता हूँ, जितने लोग वृद्ध हो चुके हैं, आपको कभी लगा कि आपका उम्र बढ़ गया? बताओ तो सही, माताएं और बड़े लोग यहाँ बैठे, कभी लगा आपका उम्र हो गया? नहीं. कभी लगता ही नहीं कि मेरा उम्र बढ़ गया. लगता है हमारे छोटे छोटे बच्चे बड़े हो गए. अरे ये सब बड़े हो गए, मैं तो वैसा कि वैसा ही हूं. ऐसे हमको लगता है. हम तो बड़े ही नहीं हुए. यही आत्मा का झलक है. देखिए, हमारे भीतर एक चीज है जो कभी बदला ही नहीं है. शरीर बदल गया, मन बदल गई, बुद्धि बदल गई, मगर कोई एक चीज है मन में, वो कभी बदला ही नहीं है. इसका जरा जरा सा झलक मिलता है इधर उधर, मगर आप ध्यान में जाओगे ये और अच्छे से समझ में आएगा. तब हमारे चेहरे में ऐसा मुस्कान आएगा कि कोई उसको हटा ही नहीं पाएगा. लेकिन पहली बार थोड़ी ना है, हम कई बार आ चुके हैं, कई बार मिले, हमारा जन्म कई बार हुआ है. हमको पता है, शायद आपको पता नहीं है कि पता है, ये आप जाने, मुझे पता है. हम मिले हैं पहले भी, हम आए हैं. आप याद नहीं है आपको, मैं भूल गए आप लोग. हमारा जीवन अनंत है और यहाँ खत्म नहीं होगा. अभी इसके बाद फिर आएंगे, फिर होगा. अविनाशी है हम, हमारे भीतर एक तत्व है, अविनाशी है. इसका झलक, एक छोटा सा ग्लिम्स आपको मिल जाता है जब भी आपको लगता है अरे मुझ में कुछ हुआ नहीं, मैं तो बदला नहीं, मैं बदला नहीं। ध्यान में उतरो, बाकी सब आता है जाता है, ध्यान करना चाहिए। अच्छा, कितने लोगों को यहाँ ऐसा लगा कि आपने कुछ गलत कभी किसी को नहीं किया फिर भी आपके दुश्मन हो गए? हाथ उठाना। कितने लोगों का ऐसा अनुभव है? आपके दुश्मन ऐसे बन गए बिना आप मतलब के? कितने लोगों को ऐसा लगा? अच्छा, कितने लोगों को ऐसा लगा आपने कोई विशेष उपकार नहीं किया फिर भी आपके बड़े मित्र बन गए? आपने कुछ विशेष उपकार नहीं किया, मित्र बन गए। आपने किसी के साथ कोई बुराई नहीं करी, बुरा व्यवहार नहीं किया, फिर भी आपके दुश्मन बन गए। ऐसा है ना? है ना? तो ये कैसा होता है? यही कुछ कर्म है। एक कर्म बड़ा अद्भुत है। और कितने लोगों को आपने इतना भला किया फिर भी आपके दुश्मन बन गया? एक कितने लोगों का ऐसा अनुभव है? हाथ उठाओ। है ना? आपने इतना भला किया फिर भी आपके दुश्मन बन गए। आपने कुछ भला नहीं किया फिर भी बड़े दोस्त बन गए। भाई, सारा संसार कर्म से चलता है। ये कर्म सिद्धांत को ही समय सार में लिखा पूरा, है ना? मैंने तो ज्यादा पढ़ा नहीं हूं, मगर जानता हूं यही सार है। कर्म सिद्धांत और आत्मनिश्चय, दो बात साथ में रखना। फिर अहिंसा, परमो धर्म। अहिंसा को अपना, शाकाहार को बढ़ाओ। अपना आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग के जरिए लाखों करोड़ों लोग मांसाहार छोड़ के शाकाहारी बन गए। दुनिया के किसी भी कोने में आप जाओ, वो लोग सब शाकाहारी आपको मिलेंगे। आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग माने शाकाहारी, प्याज लहसुन भी नहीं खाता। तो ये जो सिद्धांत है अहिंसा का, ये बहुत आवश्यक है जीवन। दुनिया में इसको फैलाना है ना? फैलाना है कि नहीं? बताइए, कितने लोग समझते हैं शाकाहार और अहिंसा तत्व फैलाना है? हाथ उठाना। हाँ, देखिए, और काफी महिलाएं हाथ नहीं उठा रही हैं। यहाँ हाथ उठाओ भाई। शाकाहार और अहिंसा तत्व सब जगह फैलाना, ये दो चीजें हम लेके चलेंगे, बहुत बड़ा काम दुनिया में हो जाएगा। So time and mind are so connected. You know, so meditation is is the essence of spirituality, which takes you beyond time. Meditation is absolutely essential. How many of you have this experience? Though you have not done anything wrong to somebody, they have become your enemies. How many of you have this experience? Raise your hand. And you have done all good, still they become your enemies. How many of you have this experience? Now, the reverse is also true. That is, you haven't done any big favor to somebody, but they have become very good friends to you. Isn't it? Huh? You know what bothers you? What stops you from meditating? Not the birds, not the tree, not the animals, not the mountains, not the rivers. What bothers you? What bothers you? No, what bothers in the mind? Thoughts about whom? Either your friends or your enemies. Only people in the mind bother you. Isn't it? You are bothered by your friends or by your enemies. And you make enemies even without doing any harm to anybody, and you make friends even without doing any big favor to anybody. So, and you don't know when a friend will turn an enemy and when an enemy turns into a friend. This also you don't know. So this is all by karma. So I would say, put them all in one basket and become free. Got it? That is meditation. Meditation, releasing our mind from all impressions. You're asking the origin of life. How did the life began, right? You know, there are two words that are used from ancient time. One is called anadi, means beginningless, and ananta. Have you heard this word ananta? Means endless. If you ask me a straight line where it began, I can say it began here, it ended here, or it began this side, it ended here. But if you ask me about a sphere, where did the sphere, what's the beginning point of a sphere? What can you say? I want to tell you, I want to give you a tennis ball and tell me where the tennis ball begins. Is there any point? No. So similarly, three things are eternal. One is life, another is matter, third is the supreme energy which you call God or Atman. The three things neither begins nor ends, but its permutation and combination makes this whole universe. So you say, where come the new souls are coming? You know, there are many species which are getting extinguished. There used to be so many snakes and scorpions. They are all disappeared. They've all come as people. There were so many buffaloes and donkeys on the planet. They've all disappeared. You know, every continent at some point of time had monkeys. Where are they now? You don't find any in Antwerp, I don't think so. Souls are many, they take many forms, and they come and they go. This is called the secret, 5 secrets. One is secret of creation. To know more about it, you have to go deep in meditation. Secret of birth, secret of death, these are all there, you know. How to control the anger. You know why you get angry? Because you want perfection. Or you want certain thing the way you want it to be. When you know that, you know, not everything could be that way. Let's face it, this is life. Suddenly the brain starts relaxing. By your getting angry, it's not going to help you anyway. It's not going to make the work happen, right? But if you show anger and if it works, good, then use it. There's nothing wrong in it. There is nothing wrong in using anger as a weapon. But if it is cutting your own mind, your own peace of mind, then you should use wisdom to safeguard yourself. The wisdom is give some room for imperfection also. You know, in the home you keep a dustbin. Don't you keep a dustbin? So you put the dustbin. So there is a place for dustbin also, the garbage can. The same way, some room for imperfection. Okay, chalo, chalte aage. You know, the society is made up of 12 people. Not just the apostles of Jesus, but the society itself is made up of 12 people. What are those? 4 good, 4 mediocre and 4 hopeless. ये लुच्चे के लोग जो है वो तुम्हारे भीतर सत्व गुण को बनाए रखने के लिए मदद करेंगे. लुच्चे लोगों के सामने अपना मन शांत रहना चाहिए. और कच्चे लोग हमारे भीतर जो स्किल्स है कुशलता को बाहर लाएंगे. और अच्छे लोग तो हमको मदद करेंगे, है ना। तो 12 तरह के लोग हमेशा होते ही हैं, तो सबको लेके चलना पड़ता है समाज में। So I don't close my door to anybody. So I'm telling you, imperfect people are there. They push your button and make you get angry. Now know that they are there to make you strong. And how you can keep your equanimity, yet help them from where they are to where they could be.
Pranam Guruji. I would like to know how to come over your internal fears. Fears you have that if I don't do this thing, what will happen? And if I do this, what will happen? If I don't know something, then how people will react to me. So if you have some internal fears, how to come over that?
Sudarshan Kriya will help you. Do Sudarshan Kriya, some meditation. And then still if it exists, send it to me. Post it. That's why gurus are there. गुरु लोग क्यों हैं? अपना भय, अपना परेशानी, अपना दुख, अपना दर्द, अपना ये सब समर्पण करने के लिए तो है गुरु। और क्या चाहिए गुरु को? और नहीं कुछ चाहिए।
Guruji, meditation is good for a lot of problems. How to get the discipline to do it daily?
You know, discipline comes either through love, you love it, or greed, or through fear. If someone tells you if you meditate for 40 days, you will get a lottery of 10 million, will you do it? Will you miss? Tell me, will you miss it? Huh? You won't. Why? Oh, if I do for 40 days, I'm definitely going to get 10 million. You will not, you will say, why 40? I will do 45 days to be sure, right? So greed can bring discipline or fear. If doctor tells you, if you don't do this for next 20 days, you will have problem with your liver. Then you say, no, I don't want to have any problem. Let me do it. Fear, greed or love. If you promise your loved one, I'm going to do this for next 40 days, I tell you, you will continue forever. Definitely, you will do it. That's why you go to a master and promise the master, okay, I'm going to do this for 40 days, 50 days, 2 months. Take a vow. Then you do it. I prefer love for greed and fear.
Guruji, we see daily images of violence, bloodshed, and children and mothers, people suffering. How can we cope with these feelings, and what can we do to help those people? What can we contribute?
Only through wisdom, through knowledge, we can tackle this problem in the world. That is why we started the Art of Living IAHB. I was very happy sitting, meditating all day. Happily, I could have been in one place. Why do I go around the world? So that the suffering of people can be reduced. Why I formed an organization, asked people to form an organization, so that they can help others to be more peace with themselves. That's why seva, sadhana, satsang, all three has to be together. Yeah? Because from my eyes, if you see, the whole world is one family. I know everybody is part of me. Some people know it, some they don't know. Just that they don't know, I know they are part of me. So I keep doing what I need to do. Yeah? Similarly, you do whatever you can do, and know that there is a big power which is in control of everything. Not get stressed about it.
His Holiness Guruji Sri Sri Ravi Shankar Ji, how can I express myself for this event? I am really speechless. On behalf of our organization, Jain Cultural Center, Antwerp, we call in short as JCCA, we congratulate you from the depth of our heart for your vision and work for the humanity. And we pray to God to transform you enormous energy to let you succeed in your path in the interest of all living beings. We would like to invite you to come back again and again to have some more time to let us learn a lot more from you to live our life more spiritual in this materialistic world.